Hello my dear children. In this video, we are going to read and understand the poem Ice Cream Man. Tell me children, do you love ice cream? Yes, we all love ice cream. There are many reasons why everyone likes ice cream. Because it cools you off on a hot day, right? It is good during summer season. There are different flavors like choco, vanilla, strawberry, mango, milk, pista, and many more. Ice cream is popular during the summer season. The poem Ice Cream Man is written by Rachel Field. It communicates how an ice cream man brings joy and relief during the intense heat of the summer days. He brings varieties of ice creams in his cart. He also brings cold fizz drinks. Cold fizz drinks means a drink which creates hissing sound like Pepsi and Coke to quench the thirst of the children. The ice cream man becomes everyone's favorite this time. The poem describes a hot summer day, scene of the city. In the summer days, everybody gets tired of the heat and the sun blazes extremely. Meanwhile, the ice cream man comes down the street with his cart. He has chilled frosty fizz too. Children gathered around the cart and asked for their flavor of ice cream or chilled drink. The poet has compared the ice cream cart with a bed of roses and sweet peas, where the children gather as honeybees cluster around the flowers to get nectar. This is how the ice cream man spreads joy and happiness everywhere in the summers. Children, let's read the poem first. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round, as thick as honeybees. Let's see the first stanza. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. In the first stanza, the meaning of blaze means strong and bright like fire, and trundling means rolling or moving noisily. Here, the poet says that it is summertime and the city is burning with scorching heat. The sun blazes extremely. The ice cream man comes to the city with his ice cream cart and goes slowly on the street with his cart. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. In this stanza, beneath means below or under. Mounds means heaps or small rounded mass. Here the poet says that the ice cream cart has a round umbrella above it. The ice cream man is a source of joy to everyone in the scorching heat. It is wonderful and joyous to see how the ice cream man fills the cone with ice cream under his brick round umbrella. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. In this stanza, the poet talks about the variety of flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry that the ice cream man has in his cart. He has chilled frosty fizz drinks in different colors like green, orange, white, and pink. Last stanza. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster around, as thick as honeybees. Here in this stanza, the poet compares the ice cream cart with a bed of flowers, where roses and sweet peas are blossoming. The poet says that the way children gather around the ice cream cart, they look like honeybees clustering around the flowers to get nectar. Here comparison is made between the ice cream cart to a flower bed. Children are standing round the ice cream cart, just like honeybees cluster around their beehive. This is how the ice cream man spreads joy and happiness everywhere in the summers. So children, everyone's favorite delightful thing to eat on a hot summer day is an ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this poem. That's all for now. Bye bye.